Hi, today in front of me Nokia X10 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first let's open notification panel here, and just to change, if you want to add here some icons or remove some of them or just to change their positions, we should click here to this edit icon. Here we can see this down section with invisible icons, and just to add, for example, a couple of these options to the notification panel shortcuts, we should hold the icon and just drag it to this up section. To remove some of these options, you should by the same way hold and drag it to this down section. To change the position of the icons, just do nothing use, just first hold and then drag it, and that's it. To save the changes, go back, and that's how it looks. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.